Hi again, this is Tony from BesideTheFrontDoor.com talking about how to keep spiders and preventing them off from your front porch. Now, right now we're on my front porch and I have spider webs up in the corners, in the crevices, underneath the built-in benches, and I want to get rid of them. Yes, spiders are good. Yes, they catch the insects that would otherwise be biting you, but I just don't want them on my porch. And so I'm not going to use a chemical. I'm going to use some all-natural methods that have been university proven to go ahead and get rid of those. There are certain essential oils that have been studied for agricultural use for repelling and taking care of insect pests. Also a complete list of the ones that are cited on, you can go to the 7 proven ways to prevent spiders on your front porch. And step number 1 is to take everything off from your porch and do a thorough cleaning. This means all of the rugs, all of your hanging ornaments. If there are pots sitting on your porch or your chairs, anything on your porch, take it off completely. Do a thorough cleaning, sweeping, vacuuming, power washing, both of the porch and of the items that you've taken off the porch so that you don't bring any of the eggs back in. Any of the spider eggs back in. Get up in the little crevices, up above, around the light, above the door. If you have access to underneath the floor, get that cleaned out best that you can, either with a blower or, like I said, with power washer works great. And let everything dry thoroughly. After that, you need to decide upon what scent, what essential oil you're going to use to act as your repellent. Remember, the complete list of those is on BesideTheFrontDoor.com. Today I'm going to use orange. Now, there's also the recipe, which I will note below and is also in that article, for how to mix that repellent up. So after you finish with your complete cleaning, which will also remove all of the spider eggs that are there currently, you go ahead and you spray this solution of the essential oils, again, especially in your crevices, anywhere you've noticed a lot of the spider webs being. You should also do a hunt for anything that might be attracting the insects which the spiders feed off from, whether it be your porch light, if there are trees dropping fruit nearby that are rotting that are attracting the flies. Get anything like that cleaned out so you're not attracting insects so that they won't then attract the spiders. Go ahead and do any sealing of windows and door frames to keep out any of the spiders from migrating into your house. Then after that, you can bring your clean items back onto your porch, get them placed, and repeat this every 2 weeks. Most of the spiders species, their eggs do not hatch within 2 weeks, so if you do this every 2 weeks, you will get them before they hatch, before they become residents on your porch.